Okay, so let me tell you the documents that I use when I'm verifying Shopify payments. I am not a US citizen, I am not a UK citizen, but I still activate Shopify payments for people in a daily basis. So let me tell you the documents I use. Shopify payments, they ask for my passport, they ask for my proof of address, they ask for my Kanban, because most of the time I activate as a business, not as an individual. So they ask for three things: proof of incorporation, that's my company document. They ask for my passport and my proof of address. This proof of address is not a proof of address in the country where I live or where I come from, where Shopify payments are not available. The proof of address that I use is from UK. So combining my passport, my proof of address from UK, and my proof of incorporation in UK, Shopify payments will accept me without any issues. I've been doing this since 2023, and I activate Shopify payments for people. I did this for so many people right now, and they just happy with it because they were struggling to get Shopify payments, and I think I rescued a lot of people's businesses. So what I can tell you, if you want to activate Shopify payments with your own documents, I made a full course on how to do that. I'll link it in the description. Or if you just want to activate Shopify payments, maybe you don't have enough money to register a company, or you do not have time to wait for a company obtaining this proof of address, we can use my documents to activate Shopify payments just like I do with others. Then the only thing that you need is your bank account so you can receive your payment. So after I activate Shopify payments, when a customer pays on your store, the money will get deposited into the bank that you attach. So I only do the setup. You finish by putting your bank and your two-factor, then you lock your account and everything is fine. So choice is yours. You do it with your own documents. That's not the course that I made. If you want to use my documents, also the link is in the description. Get in touch and we can sort your account out.